Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mind Facts. Today I am gonna tell you 10 unknown facts about India that you should know. Before watching this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, Mind Facts, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. As we know, India is the country in South Asia. It is the second most populous country, the seventh largest country by land area, and the most populous democracy in the world. But let's talk about the 10 unknown facts of India. Number 1. India is the wettest inhabited place on the earth. Mawsynram is a town in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya state in northeastern India, 60.9 kilometers from Shillong. Mawsynram receives the highest rainfall in India. It is reportedly the wettest place on earth, with an average annual rainfall of 11,872 millimeters. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, Mawsynram received 26,000 millimeters of rainfall in 1985. So make sure you pack an umbrella before going Meghalaya. Number 2. In India, Kani Mata Temple or Karani Mata Mandir is a Hindu temple dedicated to Kani Mata at Deshnok, 30 kilometers from Bikaner, in Rajasthan, India. It is also known as the Temple of Rats. The temple is famous for the approximately 25,000 black rats that live, and are revered, in the temple. These holy rats are called kabbas, and many people travel great distances to pay their respects. The temple draws visitors from across the country for blessings, as well as curious tourists from around the world. Number 3. Snakes and ladders, or mostly known as Ludo, known originally as Moksha Patam, in an ancient Indian board game for 2 or more players, regarded today as a worldwide game. According to some historians, the game was invented by Saint Gyandev in the 13th century AD. Originally, the game was used as a part of moral instruction and lessons about karma, that young children could understand and remember. Number 4. From ancient times, India was the source of nearly all the world's known diamonds, and until the discovery of diamonds in Brazil in 1726, India was the only place where diamonds were mined. Diamond mining as an industry appears to have originated between 700 and 500 BCE in India. The most intensive mining was in a 60 km zone along the river, from the Kollur mine to Paritala. This area was the source of many legendary gems, including the Kohinoor, Nizam, Hope Diamond, Regent Diamond, Great Mughal Diamond. Number 5. Imagine a village where homes have no front doors, shops are always left unlocked and locals never feel unsafe. In India, Shani Shingnapur is a village in the Indian state of Maharashtra situated in Nivasa Taluka in Ahmednagar district. The village is known for its popular temple of Shani, the Hindu god associated with the planet Saturn. In this village, no house has doors, only door frames. There are no theft was reported in this village. The police station, which only opened in September 2015, has not yet received a single complaint from the villagers. The United Commercial Bank opened India's first lockless branch in Shani Shingnapur in 2011, installing a glass entrance in the spirit of transparency and a barely visible remote-controlled electromagnetic lock in respect of the villagers' beliefs. Number 6. The world's largest sundial is located in India. In Jaipur Observatory in Rajasthan, which contains the Jantar Mantar instruments, is the largest and best preserved of the ancient big observatories. The Samrat Yantra is the world's largest sundial. This big sundial is 90 feet tall, and is so large that its shadow moves at a speed of 1 mm per second. If you stand and watch it, you'll see it move 6 centimeters about every minute. Its face is angled at 27 degrees, which is the latitude of Jaipur. There is a small cupola on top of it, used in Hindu tradition to announce eclipses and for weather prediction. Every year it attracts thousands of visitors around the world. Number 7. Coke and Pepsi are used as pesticide in India. According to a meme that is currently making its way rapidly around the interwebs, Indian farmers in Chhattisgarh are using Coke and Pepsi as a substitute for pesticide because the drinks are cheaper and give better results. They say that these products are sugar syrups, and if they are sprayed on the crops they can attract red ants that feed on the larvae of insects. Number 8. The Kumbh Mela in India is visible from space. Kumbh Mela or Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hinduism. It is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years at four river bank pilgrimage sites, in the Allahabad at Ganges Yamuna Saraswati rivers, Haridwar at river Ganges, Nashik at river Godavari, and Ujjain at river Shikra. The festival is marked by a ritual deep in the waters, but it is also a celebration of community commerce with numerous fairs, education, religious discourses by saints, mass feedings of monks or the poor, and entertainment spectacle. The Sikhs believe that zero bathing in these rivers is a means to prayashchit karna, that means atonement, penance, for past mistakes, and that it cleanses them of their sins. Approximately 30 million people attended Mahakumbh Mela in 2013 and 50 million people at Allahabad Ardh Kumbh Mela in 2019 respectively to bathe in the holy river Ganges, making them the largest peaceful gathering events in the world. Number 9. The word shampoo was originated in India. The word shampoo entered the English language from the Indian subcontinent during the colonial era. It dated to 1762 and was derived from Hindi word champo coming from the Sanskrit root chapati or chapti, which meant to press, knead, or soothe in hair. Number 10. There is a floating post office in India. India has the most widely distributed postal network and the largest number of post offices in the world. Set in a huge houseboat against the snow-clad mountains on the beautiful Dal Lake in Srinagar, India's first and only floating post office is also believed to be the only one of its kind in the world. This heritage post office is also quite a treat to the eyes and is considered to be a fitting tribute to the Dal Lake, one of the most important attractions of Kashmir, and has certainly done its bit to further promote Kashmir as a tourist destination globally. The post office has begun to serve as a tourist destination for curious visitors who hope to photography the unique site. And trust me, Srinagar is one of the most beautiful places in India. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Mind Facts, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.